Hey, what's going on, guys? Assad here, and now we were gonna do with the iterator method in the string. So as you know by now that iterator gives you each elements each time in an array. So this is what it does, and this all the iterative value always return an array. So be keep in mind that. So now we will do with the strings. If you don't know I did with other things, you can go check it out. I have a video about that too. So let's begin. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna this is from another video. I'm gonna comment it out that. Now what I'm gonna do is create a const, name it as str, and equals something like this, and yeah, I written now. Just write it now. And the next thing what we're gonna do is let iterator1 equals, use the str prototype for string, and the symbol, pass the symbol dot iterator, only iterator, not more than that though. So iterator, and using the use this syntax for calling a function. So what I'm gonna do next is I make it again alive, and now it gonna give you each and every string in an array. See, look how cool it's look. This is what it does. Look, THE. If you need this kind of thing to need your app, you can do this kind of thing. This is awesome. So hope you guys understand. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next tutorial.